Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick give you an explanation as to what exactly we're up against, what are we racing against when it comes to weed control in your lawn. I've been saying that you need to get your pre-emergent out before the end of February, and the reason for that is it's not necessarily a date that we're racing. We're not racing against a hard firm date. We're racing against the temperatures. We're racing against the weather, the soil temperatures to be exact. Different weeds germinate at different soil temperatures, and so as the weather starts to warm up over the next couple of months, and the soil temperatures slowly begin to rise, different weeds are going to start germinating in your lawn and growing into weeds throughout the spring and the summer. So that's why we set the date for the end of February, because we really don't know what the weather's going to do. If we have a warmer February, then weeds are going to start germinating sooner. If we have a colder February, then that might buy us a little time. But if we can get it done by the end of February, we're usually going to be able to prevent most of those weeds from germinating. We're going to be able to kill them before they germinate. So that's why time is of the essence. That's why there's all the more reason to get out sooner rather than later and get your pre-emergent down, because those weeds or those seeds are there waiting to germinate and waiting to grow into weeds. So just a little explanation for you. If you need help with that, let us know. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks. Bye.